Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a fun and easy game for young learners called, What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? Let's dive into how to play this exciting game. Step 1. Setting up the game. First, you'll need a set of flashcards with vocabulary words that you like to review. These can be pictures of objects, animals, or any other vocabulary your students are learning. First, choose one student to be Mr. Wolf. This student stands at one end of the classroom or play area with their back turned to the rest of the group. The other students line up side by side at the opposite end of the room or space, near the wall. Step 2. Starting the game. The wolf holds up one of the flashcards and asks the group, "What is it?" The students respond with the correct word or phrase that matches the flashcard. For example, if the wolf shows a picture of a giraffe, the students answer, "It's a giraffe." After the vocabulary review, the students call out together, "What's the time, Mr. Wolf?" The wolf calls out a specific time, like 5 o'clock. The students take the same number of steps as the number of hours in the time. For example, if the wolf says, 5 o'clock, the students take 5 steps forward. The wolf holds up another flashcard and students answer. Then, the wolf continues to call out times, and the students keep moving closer. When the students are close enough, they ask again, "What's the time, Mr. Wolf?" And the wolf suddenly shouts, "Dinner time." The wolf then chases the students as they run back to the wall. If the wolf tags someone before they reach safety, that student becomes the new wolf. Continue playing until everyone has had a turn as Mr. Wolf or until your time is up. Here are some tips to play this game. Use vocabulary that matches your lesson objectives. Encourage students to speak loudly and clearly when answering the vocabulary questions or calling out the time. Play the game in a safe, open space with enough room for running. And that's how you play, What's the Time, Mr. Wolf, with a vocabulary twist. It's a great way to combine language practice with physical activity, making learning fun and interactive. Try it out in your next class, and let me know how it works in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more teaching tips and ideas. See you next time.